The Teamcenter X trial lets you experience fully functioning PLM software with stage data, where you can see the value it can bring to your company. When you first log in, you'll be greeted with a welcome message and sent on a short tour of the interface. From there, you'll be presented with a dashboard where you can select from user-guided overviews that cover some of the main areas of Teamcenter X. You're free to try out the software on your own, but we recommend going through the guided overviews first so you can get a good idea of the capabilities of Teamcenter X and how it can help your business. For example, you'll be guided to perform a search, filter the results, and see how the related data is then found for you. You can quickly find exactly what you're looking for using suggestive search and graphical filtering. In Bom Management, you'll see how you can manage a multi-domain BOM, view related data, and visualize and analyze the BOM without needing to access the authoring CAD systems. For document management, you'll see how you can manage your product-related documents right alongside your products and bring Teamcenter right inside the most popular Microsoft Office applications. Teamcenter X comes with pre-configured workflows for releasing data. You'll see how you can access and perform a workflow review as part of a release process. And in change management, you'll see how Teamcenter Change lets you easily collect data involved in the change, determine the impact of the change across your company, and automatically document what changes were made in an easy-to-read view that everyone can understand. And finally, you'll have access to the Teamcenter NX integration, where right from Teamcenter, you can open data up in NX to experience PLM inside a mechanical CAD solution. Once you've completed the guided overviews, you can always go through the tour again from the question mark icon in the lower right-hand corner of your screen. So welcome to the Teamcenter X trial. We hope you enjoy your experience.